Vivaha has been a vital part of the Bharata society. It is not only a union of two people or families, but also symbolizes many elements of life and dharma. A married woman adorns herself with beautiful symbols that are also a part of her shringar. For example, the Mangal Sutra, the metti or bichya, the shell bangles, and the sindoor denote the status of married women. These are not simple adornments but are symbols with deeper significance. The Mangal Sutra. The Mangal Sutra has varied names across the country and is also called Tali, Mangalyam, and Pustali. During the Vivaha, the groom ties the Mangal Sutra around the bride's neck. The designs of the Mangal Sutra vary from one region to another and one community to another. However, the underlying concept remains the same. It marks auspiciousness, as the word Mangalyam denotes. With this thread, the groom indicates that his life and well-being are henceforth bound with his wife. The metti. The metti or bichua is a toe ring that adorns the second toe of a married woman. During the Vivaha, the groom slides the silver toe rings on the bride's toes, which are placed on a granite stone. In some regions, the groom's aunt performs the ritual. The toe rings are more than jewelry or symbols of Vivaha. As per Ayurveda, the energy channel, nadi, from the uterus terminates at this toe. The toe rings add subtle pressure on this nerve, thus soothing and massaging the uterus, activating the reproductive organs, and aiding in conception. This technique is called Marmasthana Ayurveda, or acupressure in modern-day terminology. The silver used in toe rings absorbs energy from the earth and revitalizes the body. The Mangal Sutra and metti or bichua, being a part of Vedic rituals, date back by millennia. Sindoor. Sindoor, a vermilion, red-orange powder, is applied by married women in the parting of their hair at the forehead. This part of the hairline is called mang in Hindi. Filling it with red sindoor signifies her marital status and symbolizes the longevity of her spouse's life. Ancient figures, such as a 4,500 years old painted doll excavated from Nausharo in the Sindhu Saraswati Basin, in current-day Pakistan, show women with sindoor on the forehead hair partition. Shell bangles. Shell bangles, also called shank bangles, are another symbol of marriage. Married women wear shell bangles on their wrists. This custom can be dated back over 5,000 years. The Mohenjo-daro women wore shell bangles on their wrists. There is enough archaeological evidence to show that women from across the land, from Harappa to Kutch to Bengal and Rameshwaram, all four sides of the country, have worn shell bangles in varied designs. Down south, the shells were collected from the Indian Ocean, which was also called Ratnasagar, as it was full of precious gems, including shells. Years later, even now, these symbols of marriage continue to be significant. It is an example of how Bharata culture celebrates Vivaha and its role in building a sustainable and prosperous society.